Welcome back to TrulyFun Toys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to see our fun videos that are posted every single day. Here is our vehicle puzzle. Wow, look at all these cool vehicles. Let's go ahead and dump it. Alright, let's start with this. What is this vehicle? Let's find where it goes so we can hear its sound. That sounds like a car, a fast car. Car starts with the letter C. Let's do the next one. What's this vehicle? Where do you think it goes so that we can hear its sound? Nope, not there. What vehicle makes that sound? A train, that's right. That is what a train sounds like. Train starts with the letter T. Let's do this one next. What do you think this is? I can't wait to hear this one sound. It's pretty big, and we only have one really big spot on our puzzle. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh, it fits! That sounds like a boat. That sounds like a big boat. Boat starts with the letter B. Now let's do this one. What is this? Let's try it in a spot to see what kind of sound it makes. Nope, doesn't fit there. Doesn't fit there. These look the same. Let's try this one. A helicopter. That sounds just like a helicopter. Helicopter starts with the letter H. What vehicle is this? Let's put it in the next biggest spot to hear its sound. That sounds like a fire truck. Fire truck starts with the letter F. Now let's do this one. I wonder what sound this one makes. Let's put it in its spot. That sounds like a airplane. Airplanes start with the letter A. Let's do this one. This looks like a really cool vehicle. I wonder what sound it makes. Wow, that was a really cool sound. That sounds just like a motorcycle. Motorcycle starts with the letter M. Now let's do our very last one. What do you think this vehicle is? Let's put it in the very last spot to find out. That sounds just like an ambulance. Ambulance starts with the letter A. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of our videos.